Analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. Below the video you will find some links. You can click on the first one if you want to trade like institutions and positional traders. Join this mentorship program. This will help you to get 300 pips in just one trade. Then you can talk to me if you want to talk to me. You can book consultation, check out the brokers on this link. Third link is free. You can join free Telegram. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are going down. Daily we are below the EMA already. 4 hour we are below the EMA. So look for shorts after the pullback. That's your euro USD. If you want exact entry and signals and TP and everything, how institutions work, because institutions don't come and trade every single day. They only come when the breakout happens. If you're gonna learn, if you're gonna trade like them, I told you 300 pips in just one trade. If you know how to do all of that, then go and check out the first link below, and I'll see you in my next video. So then take care.